I'm David Chapman, Volunteer Warden with the National Park. I was a climber anyway and loved to mountaineer. Used to come out every weekend and happened to be in the area when the first meeting of the Voluntary Wardens was at the Ogwen Cottage in the Ogwen Valley. This is the card that was issued to me in 1965 to say that I was a warden with the National Park, supplied by Carnarvonshire County Council. This is a magazine that was started for the Warden Service, if you like, the volunteers. It came out one a year, and this one's issued to spring 2004, and it's got a picture of me and the Warden Service all meeting at Plastanabulk. Being out and about and meeting people, and you meet people from all over the world, you know, and they don't know where they are or what they're doing, and being able to show them, you know, things that sort of they probably never see.